Inputs coming in on the broadcast from Jharkhand. We are quickly shifting focus to that. Now, this is about police action taken in Jharkhand. The protest over there is intensifying. We're given to understand in the latest that tear gas shells were fired, and right before tear gas shells were fired, there was lathi charge as well on the students who were protesting, trying to carry out a march towards the assembly. Those are visuals on your screens of lathi charge taking place. We are also given to understand now that tear gas shells have been fired. Earlier, there were visuals that came in of how the protesters were seen shielding security personnel while the lathi charge took place. And now tear gas shells fired to disperse the protesters and to stop them from moving ahead. So first water cannons, then lathi charge, and now tear gas shells have been fired on the students who are protesting in Ranchi, demanding a complete overhaul when it comes to the education system in Jharkhand. Government says 98% of the demands of the students have been met. The students are also asking for investigation to be conducted by the CBI. So bone of contention is over the investigation through a central agency. Look at those visuals. We have highlighted those moments for you when tear gas shells were fired. Along with that, you can also see how lathi charge was done on the students, on the protesters to disperse them. So force now being used in Ranchi, water cannons, lathis, and now tear gas shells to disperse the crowd, to stop them from moving ahead. And there'll be a lot of reactions coming in from the students as well. Earlier, we saw them showing their injury marks, questioning why are we being lathi charged when we are carrying out a peaceful protest? Why is force being used on us? Three visuals on your screens of the measures that have been undertaken by the security personnel to stop the students from marching ahead and to disperse the crowd. Water cannons used, students were lathi charged, and then tear gas shells were fired as well on the protesting students. From day one, in fact, today as well, before the march was taken out, our reporters continuously from field got us reactions of the students taking part in the protest, saying, we are holding a peaceful protest. We want the government to listen to all our demands. Visuals coming in from Jharkhand, where force was used on the protesters. Look at the three visuals that we are playing out for you. These are measures that were undertaken by the personnel over there, stopping the students from marching ahead and also to disperse them. First, water cannons and then lathi charge. After lathi charge, we're given to understand that tear gas shells have also been fired. The students asking, why are we being lathi charged when we are carrying out a peaceful march, a peaceful protest? This happened during...
सरकार से कोई बातचीत हो पाई है दोबारा आज?
अभी सरकार से क्या बात करेंगे? और 3 राउंड बात हो गया, अब कोई बात नहीं करना है। हमारी मांग पूरी करे, नहीं तो ये छात्र सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री के कुर्सी तक पहुंच जाए।
98% वो कह रहे हैं
अगर छात्रों की बात नहीं मानती है तो सरकार की कुर्सी में खतरा है। सरकार की कुर्सी हिल सकती है। ये आक्रोश रुकने वाला नहीं है, ये जन आंदोलन में बदल गया।
अगर अभी आगे विधानसभा फिर क्या करेंगे?
कौन रोकेगा? युवा को पलटी कर दीजिएगा तो वायु को कोई रोक नहीं सकता।
सर, अगर नहीं जाने दिया तो क्या कीजिएगा सर? अगला कॉल क्या होगा? आगे हम लोग का प्रदर्शन चलता रहेगा।
All right, so that was Devendra Nath Mehto, the face of this protest, the one who's on hunger strike, saying that 3 round ki baatcheet ho chuki hai. There's nothing left to talk. If the government does not listen to us and meet our demands, then this protest can bring down the government. Let me go across to Priyank. He's getting us more details. And before that, Sohan is also with us on the broadcast. Sohan, हमने अभी देवेंद्र महतो की उनका रिएक्शन सुना, उनकी बात सुनी. उनका ये कहना है कि अब ये प्रोटेस्ट रुकने वाला नहीं है और मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी को सरकार को खतरा है?
जो यहाँ पहुंचे हुए हैं तो छात्रों का जब तक उनकी मांगे नहीं मानी जाएगी तब तक वहां से यहाँ नहीं हटेंगे। जो जानकारी मिल रही थी कि छात्र विधानसभा घेराव कर यहाँ से लौट जाएंगे, लेकिन अब छात्रों ने अपना मन बदल दिया है कि वो यहीं पर डटे रहेंगे, यहीं पर बैठे रहेंगे जब तक उनकी मांगे नहीं मानी जाती है। और इसी दौरान रांची पुलिस की तरफ से टीयर गैस का भी इस्तेमाल किया गया है। 8 राउंड से ज्यादा टीयर गैस का इस्तेमाल किया गया है कि छात्रों को यहाँ से हटाया जाए, लेकिन छात्र हटने को तैयार नहीं है। और कुछ छात्र उसे घेराव के दौरान से वहां से निकलकर लगभग 200-300 की संख्या में छात्र विधान तक पहुंच गए हैं और विधानसभा के 4 नंबर गेट के बाहर वहां पर छात्र वहां पर मौजूद हैं। जब तक वो जो हमारी मांग है, जो हमने सरकार को मांग बताई है, वो जब तक नहीं मानी जाती है, नहीं हटेंगे तो कहा जाए तो काफी यहाँ तनावपूर्ण स्थिति बना हुआ है। छात्र चारों तरफ से विधानसभा को घेर लिया है। वो बैरिकेडिंग उधर लगाया गया है, वहां पर छात्र खड़े हैं। कुछ छात्र एक साइड में खड़े हैं, कुछ छात्र विधानसभा के बाहर पहुंच गए हैं। और रांची पुलिस के लाख प्रयास के बावजूद भी कहा जाए तो छात्र अभी भी डटे हुए हैं। इनका सब कि हमारी मानी जाएगी, हम यहाँ से खिलेंगे नहीं।
असेंबली को विधानसभा का घेराव कर लिया है and the students are refusing to move from there. The standoff between the police and the protesters or the students is only intensifying. Sohan, stay on with us. Let's also listen into what the students who were injured during Lathi charge have to say.
मैं बैरिकेड से लगभग 150 से 200 मीटर पीछे खड़ा था, तो एक्चुअली में भींग भी गया था, तो मैं बहुत पीछे खड़ा था। तो अचानक से पुलिस लाठीचार्ज हुई। मुझे दिखा भी नहीं कि पुलिस लाठीचार्ज हो चुकी है। क्यों हुई मुझे नहीं पता, क्योंकि बैरिकेड से मैं काफ़ी पीछे था। अचानक मैं देखा नहीं पीछे पुलिस है। पुलिस आके एक लाठी बहुत जोर से मारी यहाँ पे। उसके बाद मैंने भागने की कोशिश किया तो मैं नीचे गिर गया। नीचे गिरे तो इधर पैर में भी इधर चोट लग गया है। तो बस यही घटना हुई। फिर मैं इधर आके फिर थोड़ा पानी वानी डाल के बॉर्डर प्लस वगैरह डाला। मैं आगे बैरिकेड के आगे नहीं था, मुझे पता नहीं।
All right, so you heard the reaction that is coming in from the protester, one of the individuals who was injured during police action, and those are visuals on your screens now of how tear gas shells were fired. Sohan is telling us 8 rounds of tear gas shells have been fired on the student protesters to disperse them. Let's go back to Sohan, who continues to be with us on the broadcast. Sohan, तस्वीरों को हम देख रहे हैं इस वक्त जब टीयर गैस शेल्स फायर किए गए। आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ये जो घेराव है विधानसभा का, असेंबली का, इसके बाद छात्रों ने ऐलान कर दिया है that they do not want to move from the assembly, which has led to this standoff only escalating. All right, we also have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Quickly shifting focus to that, Samajwadi Party has now questioned its ally, has questioned Congress Party as far as the Jharkhand stir is concerned. So students in Jharkhand, in Ranchi, are facing lathis, water cannons and tear gas. And now Samajwadi Party has questioned police action in Jharkhand. Don't stop, students, says Samajwadi Party leader IP Singh. He says, let them enter the assembly. So Samajwadi Party leader IP Singh says that the police there should not stop the students and they should be allowed to enter the assembly. Soren government faces questions from ally. Questions now being raised by Samajwadi Party against the Jharkhand government, all part of the, remember, part of the INDI bloc. They're all allies. Let me go across to Pratibha, who's getting us more details. Pratibha, Samajwadi Party, the first ally, I believe, to call out Jharkhand government and police action there as well.
Absolutely, Swati, and here is what IP Singh, senior leader of the Samajwadi Party, says on social media. He says छात्रों को विधानसभा की ओर जाने से नहीं रोकना चाहिए, उन्हें विधानसभा के अंदर घुसने देना चाहिए था. This is what he says, and then he speaks about the larger picture. He says ये गुस्सा सिर्फ राज्य सरकार के खिलाफ नहीं है, छात्रों का गुस्सा भयंकर बेरोजगारी और कमरतोड़ महंगाई के खिलाफ है. आगे जंतर मंतर क्या, संसद में मंत्रियों के घरों में घुसेगा देश का युवा. So he says that this is the anger of the students over the situation across the country, and the students should not have been stopped.
Absolutely. Pratibha, thank you very much for getting us the details. Quick break with that. We have a lot of reactions coming in. We'll get you more updates on the other side.